If you are in semester 6 this year, then you might be given this option from your university or college that if you wish, you can continue with your honors degree and study the fourth year, that is the seventh and the eighth semesters. That means your CBCS pattern, which you have been following, will be integrated into the NEP pattern, which is like 4-year honors pattern. Now, some students have asked me whether it will be wise to take up that option, continue honors in my own college, or should I just upgrade to some other work and job. I would tell you that if your college has really good infrastructure, library support, faculty support, the university is far off from your place, your college is more accessible, you can be regularly attending it, then I think it is quite wise to continue to the fourth year. Because if your college is offering you the fourth year of honors, especially if it is with research, that means you have scored pretty well, you have scored above 75% in your semesters, so you are given this opportunity. Take this, because then if you do masters after this, you will only need to do masters for 1 year. Again, let me be very clear about this. Every university has its own structure, and I am saying only from the knowledge which is from West Bengal State University, which is usually very much similar to the universities of West Bengal. Now, here there is no clear specification yet, and this is like June 2025. We don't have any specific instruction from the university that the students who have completed 4 years with honors, not with research, they will be given the opportunity of 1 year MA. We don't know yet. But yes, if you have done honors with research 4 years, then obviously you will get 1 year MA. So that means you are actually doing your MA in total of 5 years, which is like before only. So if you are in confusion, if you are in doubt, what you can do, you can opt for a 2 years masters, because this is the last chance you will have to go for a regular MA for 2 years. I think it is a bit risky at this moment to take up that extra year in your college, and then later on, if you come to know that the universities are offering you 2 years MA, that means you need 6 years, right, to complete MA starting from your graduation days. So I would tell you, you had made up your mind already that you will be doing a 3 years graduation, so they cannot force you to take up the fourth year. It's optional. Don't take up the fourth year. If you get a chance in a master's in a university, go for that, because universities are way too strong in infrastructure and faculty compared to the colleges you are studying in. So if you don't get a chance in any university as MA first year, then you can continue as your honors fourth year. That will not hinder your year. Okay, so that will not be a drop year for you.